agrarian reform beneficiaries, organizations, and cooperatives. In 2021, she was promoted to her current position, where she oversees administrative and support services, including supplies, property and facilities management, procurement, and other operational functions. Her responsibilities ensure the efficient operation and resource management of the office. As the head of the General Services Section, she plays an important role in ensuring the smooth and efficient functioning of the DAR Provincial Office, guaranteeing that resources are managed effectively and essential services are delivered consistently. Additionally, she serves as the Assistant Lead Auditor for the Internal Quality Audit Team for ISO certification, ensuring that DAR Provincial Office's internal systems meet international for her family, particularly her mother. She completed her entire education at Naga College Foundation, from kindergarten through college, where she was a consistent honor student. She plans to pursue postgraduate studies this coming semester to further enhance her skills and her career. Her former kindergarten teacher, Ma'am Franz here, describes her as mabuot na aki and very cooperative. As a student,
Thank you so much, Ma'am Raquel, for that very inspiring and flattering introduction. On behalf of the President, the Executive Vice President for External Linkages, Dr. 𝐼da P. 𝐍a𝐠e, ma'am. Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, ma'am. Assistant Vice President for Basic Education Department and Principal, Mr. Noel L. Assis, sir. NCF administrators, graduates, parents, to all faculty and staff, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It feels a little surreal to be standing here in front of you. It's like looking into a mirror, reflecting of a younger version of myself, filled with the same mix of excitement and uncertainty you're feeling right now. Today brings back a lot of fond memories to me. I remember the feeling of excitement when the school bell rings during recess, the fun and laughter when we used to play on the playground, the laughter echoing down the hallways, the whispered secrets between me and my best friends. These are some of the memories that warm my heart. There were also the less than perfect moments, the awkward and cringe-worthy experience, some friendship that faltered, times when we were being disciplined by our teachers, and academic challenges. These experiences, while sometimes painful, has taught me valuable lessons. It was a world of simpler joys, of unbridled imagination, and of unshakable belief that anything was possible. It wasn't always easy, but looking back, those years are a rich blend of challenges overcame, period of growth, discovery, and lessons learned both inside and outside the classroom. The memories, both big and small, continue to shape my perspective and influence my life in many ways. They are a testament to the power of education, friendship, and the enduring impact of those formative years ahead with 𝐍a𝐠a College Foundation. Today, as I look at your bright faces, I am filled with profound sense of admiration and hope. I am reminded that the future is full of possibilities. And I am deeply honored for the opportunity to share my experiences with you, to offer a glimpse into my journey, and hopefully inspire you in some ways. You know, when I was your age, I once dreamt of becoming a successful lawyer. But fate has other plans. Sometimes the path we take leads us to an unexpected destination, and that's okay. Because life is a journey, not a straight line. The universe subtly directed me towards opportunities that I never considered otherwise. However, this allows me to use my skills in unexpected and fulfilling ways. It taught me resilience, adaptability, and the importance of staying open to unexpected detours. My dream might have changed, but the passion remains. You know, the world is a complex place, but it's a beautiful one. You have the power to create positive change and make a difference. The world needs individuals who stand for something, who are guided by strong moral compasses. Remember to uphold the core values you have learned in this institution: quality, excellence, service, and truth. As this year's commencement theme, Quest, Quality, Excellence, Service, and Truth for a Sustainable Future, a legacy upholding core values and in all that you do. These are not mere words, but fundamental principles. It's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. It's about continuous improvement, pushing boundaries, and embracing challenges with passion and dedication. You've already demonstrated your commitment to excellence by reaching this significant point in your academic journey. But your pursuit of excellence doesn't end here. It's a lifelong journey, a commitment to doing your best in every endeavor. The key is to embrace the unknown, the willingness to learn from your mistakes, the courage to push beyond your comfort zone, learning something new along the way, and celebrating your process every step of the year. Beyond personal and academic achievement, education has emphasized the importance of service. Service is not just an act of charity, but a fundamental expression of our humanity. It's about lending a hand to those who need it, with a genuine desire to make a positive impact on the lives of those around us. Whether it's volunteering your time, helping a friend, or simply being kind and considerate, can inspire others to do the same and can create a ripple effect of positive change. By upholding the values of service, the pursuit of truth extends far beyond the confines of textbooks and classrooms. And your journey through education hasn't just been about accumulating facts and figures. It's about discerning truth from falsehood, intellectual honesty, and analyzing information. In today's world, with so much misinformation and uncertainty, the ability to discern truth becomes not just a virtue, but a necessity. Learn to analyze critically, evaluate evidences, and be discerning readers. Be truthful in your words and actions. Have the courage to challenge falsehood and stand up for what is right, even in the face of opposition. Acknowledge your own biases, admit when you're wrong, and be open to changing your minds in the face of new evidence. Be the generation that restores faith and facts, that promotes transparency and seeker of truth. Champion the pursuit of knowledge, starting with you and extending outwards to our society. As you embark in this new chapter, I want to remind you that you are capable of amazing things. Always be kind, curious, and never stop learning. Embrace the spirit of curiosity, the thirst for knowledge, and the courage to try new things. Embrace challenges and step out of your comfort zone. In this world that is constantly changing, you need to navigate those changes with grace and determination. Don't be afraid to fail, for it's through failures that you will learn and grow. Be agents of positive change, upholding your values while embracing innovations. Make a difference, one act of integrity, one creative solution, and one compassionate deed at a time. Graduates, now that you're ready for new adventures, with more exciting things to learn, I want you to enjoy and savor this journey. Remember, school days are assortment of learning, laughter, and friendships. It is a time to make memories that will last for a lifetime. So I want you to cherish the moments you're creating. For these memories will be a chapter you look back on with fondness. The days that shaped who you are and who you will become. Your school days are not just a stepping stone to the future. They are a journey to be embraced, cherished, and enjoyed. And finally, as you celebrate today's milestone, I want you to express your gratitude and appreciation to the people who have been part of you.
Plaque of appreciation to the guest speaker. Citation reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Basic Education Department, City of Naga, the Silent School Supervision Services Association Incorporated. Present this plaque of appreciation to Ms. Angelica S. Asiao Pasha, Administrative Officer for Department of Agrarian Reform, Camarines Sur Provincial Office, NCF BED Alumna, Second Honors, Elementary Class of 2004, Salutatorian, High School Class of 2008, Fourth Honorable Mention, College BS in Computer Science, Class of 2012. In grateful recognition and appreciation of her invaluable presence and of her conveying a significant message to the graduates reflective of her knowledge and expertise, thereby serving as a shining inspiration as guest speaker. During the kindergarten moving up and grade 6 graduation with the theme Quest for Sustainable Future, a legacy upholding core values and innovations, held on April 7, 2025 at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed, Mr. Marius C. Villanueva, President.